Hey everyone, it's Lucy from KBeautyHobbit.com, and today I have another unboxing for you. I already took the main label off, which is why it looks so weird, but I didn't want to show everybody my address. Sorry about that. Today I have a box from AdoreYou boutique, and it's a boutique that carries different Korean brands, including some luxury brands that I'm aware of but have never actually tried. So this just came today. Now I live in the Midwest and they shipped it to me from their location in California on Thursday, and today is Saturday and it showed up today. Let's look. We have some little samples. How cute. Now that the world is opening up a little bit, I am getting excited about taking some little trips. We just do little overnight or a couple night trips here and there because the kids are still little and we can't really be gone for too long, but it's kind of nice to have samples again, and I've been stashing them and using them up on our trips. So Sulwhasoo UV Wise Brightening Multi Protector Milky Tone Up. Oh, it's an SPF. Well, that's really exciting. Number 2. I wonder if that's a tone, like if that's a color. Let's see. Okay. Ooh. I can already tell that this is not going to be greasy. Just applying it. I'll have to read up on what kind of filters there are. And this video isn't sponsored, but I am going to do a sponsored article for them, so full disclosure here, for AdoreYou, I mean. This has a really nice, kind of, I don't know, not quite floral scent. It's really pleasant. Not sure what to compare to. It does not smell like sunscreen. That's really exciting. And what are these? A serum. Derm All Matrix Facial Dermal Care Mask. Do not bend or fold mask sheet prior to opening. Okay. This sounds fancy. If you follow me on Instagram at KBeautyHobbit, I usually post pictures of sheet masks and other wash-off products kind of like as I use them. I don't always wait for the full review to do it. So if you like more real-time kind of look at my routines and stuff, then definitely join me on Instagram. Let's see what else is. I am so excited about this. Okay, if you've seen some of my empties videos, you probably saw one a couple months ago. I signed up to review this product through an app called Octoly, and they partner with Sephora, and Sephora literally sent me the 5 milliliter size, so like this much, like enough for, I don't know, 3 applications. And while it definitely was not enough to actually review the product, I do know that I really like the texture of this cream, and I did read up on it a little bit at that time. It has a lot of different plant extracts, but also retinol, or a type of retinoid in it anyway. So that's really exciting, and I didn't have any problems with it as far as irritation or anything. And it smells amazing. It does have a more of a potent smell. Oops. There we go. Than some of the other products I use, but it's very pleasant, and it has that just warm ginseng smell, and the texture is beautiful. It melts into your skin. And these products are something that in my normal life, if I weren't a blogger, well, and even now as a blogger, a lot of times this brand is just outside of my budget. So it's really exciting when there's a company like AdoreYou where they have special contracts with a more Pacific, the parent company for a lot of these brands, and they can offer pricing a lot better than the big box stores or the brick and mortar stores here in the United States. Sulwhasoo. I'm probably not even pronouncing the brand name right? Correct me in the comments. I know you will. Advanced First Care Activating Serum. So obviously I cannot give reviews about these right now, but I do post reviews about things as I use them on my blog, kbeautyhobbit.com. And then also, if you're not in my group yet, Korean Beauty Fanatics, we would love to have you. There are 55,000 of us and growing, and you can access other people's expertise and experiences, not just mine, because there are just so many of us that if you have a question or you're looking for a review on a product, chances are somebody in the group has what you're looking for. This is glass, and that's really exciting. I'm a little afraid to make a mess, so I'm not going to pump it out because it's me and then my camera in the way here. I don't want to make a mess. If you tried any of these, let me know, and if you have an idea of which one I should try first, also let me know. Here we have a whole kit. Time Treasure Ultimate Anti-Aging Kit. Ooh, look how shiny it is. What's this? Eye cream. That must be just face cream. Serum. I know I took them out of water. Sorry about that. Invigorating emulsions. That's another word for lotion, which is lighter than a cream, but it's another moisturizer if you're not familiar. And a water lotion. So I wonder what the difference is between water lotion and lotion. I wonder if this is kind of like a toner. Maybe, since it's the first one here. So it'd be toner, serum, or wait. Yes, toner, serum, emulsion, and then cream and eye cream. Maybe like that. I don't know. It's exciting though to be able to try a whole line. I won't introduce everything all at once because I want to see how my skin does and just gauge for any potential reactions. But if everything goes well and there are no reactions, it's really exciting to try the entire line of something and just see what the brand had in mind for a whole routine. Usually I have Frankenstein mine. I'll have cleansers from one line and toners from another and serums from a third one, and I just put things together that work for me. But occasionally when I have a whole line of products to test, it's really exciting to be able to do that. So again, if you tried any of these or you have an opinion about what I should try first, please leave me a comment. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you're having a wonderful week. You can find me on Instagram at KBeautyHobbit, my blog kbeautyhobbit.com, in my group Korean Beauty Fanatics, which I already mentioned, and of course here on YouTube. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, please remember to always listen to your skin. Thank you so much. Bye.